What's up, everyone? This moment has finally come. Exactly as I said in my previous videos, XCH dropped below $4. And yeah, I didn't expect us to actually hit $2. But is it really a bad thing? Let's break it down. A lot of people bought Chia in around $30, because on the chart that level looked like the bottom. So for example, if you put in $10,000 at $30 per coin, right now you are sitting on less than $1,000. And that is not even counting the people who bought at $60 or higher. Now here is the thing. My take is this: if you bought at a price we could still realistically see a gain, it's not over. There is a real chance you get your money back. The key is having a strategy and not panicking. And this is exactly why I'm making this video, to share what I'm doing. And it is up to you what you will do with this information. My opinion, don't sell right now. Doesn't matter what price you bought at. Yeah, the price got wrecked, but so did the entire crypto market, pretty much across the board, with only a handful of exceptions. If you bought XCH at 30 or even 60, the right move right now is to hold and wait for the price to get back about your entry point. As for that recent bounce from $2, from what I know, that was driven by a Russian blogger and his community buying it. So it is pretty expected that the price is pulling back now. Alright, let's talk about where this coin could actually go. First, can this project die? Honestly, yeah, it can, but it also has a real shot at making it. Quick reminder, this is a Brime's coin project. The guy is not a scammer, he knows what he is doing, and I'm pretty sure raising more investment wouldn't be a problem for him if they needed to. All this price manipulation, the supposedly massive pre-farmed coin dumps, I see it as a play to shake out farmers and investors, get them to sell cheap, and forgot about the project. Until the whole market turns around and XCH starts looking attractive again, but by then the cheap coins are gone. Right now the market cap is around $40 million. Go look at where DOGE coin and coins like that were when their market cap was around $40 million. Exactly there. Can price drop below $2? Sure, anything possible. But I see this as an opportunity, not a threat. I'm not expecting much lower, definitely not below $1. I think $2 is very close to the bottom. It's low enough to make most people who bought higher completely sick of the market and done with this project. We should be seeing this as an opportunity. If you have got some money sitting on the sidelines, this might be the best time to pick some up. Look at what Dogecoin, BNB, Solana and other coins that had massive runs in the previous cycles actually achieved in terms of market caps. Exactly. If we believe in this coin, that is our benchmark, because this kind of shakeout, flashing out weak hands, doesn't happen just to pump 10x. Do you want my price targets? I would say $2 is the bottom or very close to it, and $300 is my minimum expectation. Yeah, whether you bought at $30 or even $60, at $300, you are doing well. And if you are buying now near $2, even better. But $300 is a conservative target. My real expectation is somewhere around $800 per coin. And let's calculate the potential market cap for this coin at that price. So 800 multiply 14 million. You see, it is still less than Solana or some of that projects which got pumped. Don't you believe that Chia can do $11 billion? Of course can, why not? If they, I mean project owners, concentrate the bulk of the coins in their own hands, what can stop them? Many holders are selling right now at $2 or will sell later at $30. If their goal is hundreds of dollars per coin, then it is worth buying even at $30 or $60 from weak hands. And what about my most optimistic scenario? And it is more than $4,000 per coin. Let's calculate the possible market cap at that price. So 4,000 and current circulation. So you can see it's so achievable, I would say. It's still less than like Solana or Dogecoin, whatever. So yeah, from $2 to $4,000, it is 200,000% gains. That is like 2000x. Is it worth the risk? I think so. So no, I'm not bummed that price fell below my $4 targets from previous videos. I see this as a gift. And if you are wondering, am I scared? Hell yeah, I am. This is a high-risk bet, but the potential upside is the kind of thing that can genuinely change our life. The market is brutal right now, but tough times make us stronger, and we will get through it. Also, take a look at other altcoins, Ethereum, Solana, L2 projects. If you still have any faith in altcoins, now is the time to think about adding to your position. Here is a simple example. Say you put in $10,000. Your portfolio dropped 85%. And you are sitting at $500. If you add 1,000 right now at current prices, just by getting back to your original entry point, your portfolio would be worth $30,000. This is how I look at it. You buy assets when they are on sale, not when everyone else is peeling in. Look at what is happening in the world right now. Wars, economic instability, AI, automation. When is the next time we get a setup like this? Nobody knows. I'm not here to convince you of anything. I'm just sharing my view. Everyone makes their own calls and takes responsibility for their own decisions. So to wrap up it really quick, I don't think the price is going much lower. I think we are near the alt market bottom. If you have money available, I think this is the time to buy. And I'm still expecting XCH to hit from 300 to 800 long term. So stay sharp, make good decisions, and I will catch you in the next one.